There's a big pile of snow they got there. Look at that, outside that cannon. They're going to bash that, I guess, aren't they? Yeah. One, two, three. Hurry up, Mark! He's doing well.
He is.
Because he's had no rest at all. Here he is. He's turned up, he's exhausted. Let's go!
Oh, what a bunch of bastards we are.